Hello and welcome. I'm Jeff Anderson. In this video we're going to get introduced to an apparatus that I designed for my linear algebra class, but is transferable to a problem we're going to study in this MATLAB course. Behind me you see a frame attached to a long pendulum. We're going to study the dynamics of the movement of this pendulum. Here, these are thin metal wires attached to a cart on the bottom that has masses. So these masses come from a weight set. It's one of those weight sets with dumbbells. On the top of them I've attached a CD cover with a thin black dot that's going to be used for the image processing program that will convert this video into displacement data that we will process with MATLAB. Here I put the weights on the cart, and now we have a nice pendulum. And what I can do is set this pendulum in motion, and then now it moves. This thing moves back and forth. In this class we're going to study this motion. In fact, we're going to model it using a mathematical equation and then use MATLAB to analyze the dynamics. Alright, in the next video we're actually going to see the motion from a top angle, and then I'll produce for you data that represents the movement of this pendulum. See you in the next video.